Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss what is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Before discussing fundamental theorem of arithmetic, we should know few common terms which you have studied in the earlier classes. First is, what is the prime number? The number which has only two factors, 1 and itself. For example, the prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, all those. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. So these are the prime numbers. Next topic is in this composite number. Do you know what are the composite numbers you studied in the previous class? Composite number, it is a number having more than two factors. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, and so on. All these numbers have more than two factors. For example, factor of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. So it has three factors. So the number which will have more than two factor will be composite number. What is a factor of a number? So if a number divides another number exactly without leaving any remainder, then the number is called the factor of the given number. For example, if a number divides the given number exactly without leaving any remainder, then the number is called the factor of given number. Okay, so let us take an example of this. 12 divides by 2, we get 6. So there is no remainder. Then 2 here. Two is the factor of 12. After knowing factor, let us see what is a factor tree. We need to draw a factor tree of 24. So how this will be done? Let me tell you. First, you just write 24. Now 24 comes with the multiplication 2 12s are. So one branch went to 2 and other came to 12. Now 12 will be 3 into 4, and this will be 2 into 2. So this is called the factor, and all these numbers are the prime factors of the 24. 2, 3, 2, 2 are the prime factors of 24. So factor tree is helpful to find the prime factors of any number. This you can do by another method also, which you were doing in the previous classes. 24 is equals to 2 into 2, because 1 2 1 2 another 2 and 3. Prime factorization of a number. Here our number is 24. So these are the prime factors and product prime factorization. I think it is clear. Let us come to the statement of the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Here the statement is every composite number can be expressed as the product of its prime factors. Is it clear? So there's an example. For example, you are given 12. So 12 can be 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3. So whenever you try to factorize 12, you will have all the time 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3. The order may be changed, but the numbers will be same. 2 will be 2 times and 3 will be once, or it can be written 2 raised 2 into 3. So this is called the theorem of unique factorization. After that example, now we will take some questions just to express the given composite number in the product of their prime factors. Here we have an example, 1092 as the product of its prime factors. And what is the question? Express 1092 as the product of its prime factors. Prime factors. Solution of this question. See children, what we are going to do here. So our number is 1092. What are we going to do? We are going to just find the prime factors of this number. For that, we need to divide this number by prime numbers till we don't get one at the last. There's a 2 in the last, so we should divide with 2. 2 5s are 10, then 9, 2 4s are 8, then 2 6s are 12. Again with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, and 2 3s are 6. Now it will go with 3. Here the thing to be noted is we are not going to write any of the composite number here. We need to write the prime numbers only. 3, 7, 7 1 is 7, 7 3 21, and finally we get 13, 1s are 13 and comes to n, and therefore 1092 is equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 7 multiply 13. So these are the product of prime factors, or simply it can be written as 1092 is equals to 2 times 2 raised to 3 ones, 7 ones, and 13 is also ones. So this is the expression of 1092 in the form of product of its prime factors. So now we'll take another question. Question is, explain why 3 into 5 into 7 is a composite number. It's a composite number. Let us see the solution. Here we have 3 multiply 5 multiply 7 plus 7. So you can see here 7 is common at both the places, before plus sign and after plus sign. So we'll just take it outside. So from this we'll take 7 common, and this 7 can written as 7 into 1, and we'll take this 7 also common. In the next line we'll take 7 out as common. So we have 3 into 5 plus 1. Now we have 3 5s are 15 plus 1. So 7 into 16. So it has two factors and 16 also have more factors, or it can be 7 into 2 into 8. Thus it is a composite number. Because it has more than two factors. 7, 2, 8 and 8 also have few more factors. Therefore, this number is a composite number.